good morning, friends. Finally, I'm back. My apologies for this delay. I had a lot of work, so I could not complete this Manali series. But now I promise I'll come out with regular videos. We'll complete the Manali series, and then there will be a lot of interesting videos coming your way. Today is 30th April 2024. The day before I visited Manali for a short while, it was rainfall around the day, some snow, and I had my training program, so I really couldn't do much. But today I've decided to explore out and give you a glimpse of my favorite destination in Manali, Solang Valley. So stay tuned, watch this video till the end. If you like this video, do share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Himachal Tourism office. I am here, so I'm going to go with them. They are very economical and good options, safe. So I'm just waiting for my group. So Himachal Tourism is going to take me to Solang Valley today. I book a group tour, so stay tuned. I am sure you're going to enjoy my journey in Solang Valley. Thank you. Friends, I've just reached Solang Valley. I came in this Himachal Tourism bus. The cost for the trip is rupees 300 per pax both way. I love Solang Valley in the snow and it's beautiful. I'm going to spend some time here, so I have to locate a place where I can sit and enjoy a drink, some food, and explore the place for a few hours. So stay tuned, enjoy my journey. Enjoy this video, and if you like this video, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep watching this video till the end. Thank you.
sunshine after rain 네가 좋아
Friends, this is a small, nice place. I spent a lot of time out here. They made lovely food for me. Goelji was really great. They made aloo paratha, and I even guided them how to make an egg roll. They did it for me, and I enjoyed my tea. And now, finally, I think I have to move because my bus will leave for Manali soon. So I'm going up the hill to my bus. Friends, I'm back in Manali. This was a lovely trip to Solang. Now I'm going to take you to a favorite cafe in the Manali Mall Road. but I'm going to sit there and enjoy my drink, and you're also going to look at the place. If you're in Manali, you can always come and be here and spend some time. It's Cafe Coffee Drips right on the Manali Mall Road. Check this out. Friends, I'm back in my hotel, not the same hotel, it's the hotel next door. My hotel is totally full, so I just approached the next door hotel manager. He was kind enough to give me this room. The room per night cost is 1200 for me. This is a good deal if you're traveling in April. 1200 rupees is certainly a good price at the location. The hotel room is quite big, clean, nice, and quite bright also. If you're visiting with your family, if you're a couple, this is a good option if you want to stay close to the mall road. Certainly the price will be higher if you're traveling in the season time. This can go up till rupees 3000, but the location is very close to the mall road and the room is quite nice. The service of the hotel is also good. So if you're planning, you can always check this out. Hotel Devlook. Friend, it's time to say bye and a good night to you. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next chapter. See you soon. Bye bye.